especially late night. That's just the way to do it. And when the guy was at work the other night, I was trying to watch how he was doing it, and he wasn't saying nothing. And he's like, "What's this?" And he throws a bunch of people that way.
Alright, we're just hanging out with all the Confederate motherfuckers. I'm Confederate Meth. There's old Crips over there. Fucking Confederate Dan on this goddamn roof over here. Where the fuck is fucking Confederate Well? Oh shit, got hit with bait. Yeah, just fine. Just great. Yeah. Best thing in the fucking world. Well, that felt fucking great, you know, nothing like fucking a glass of fucking Mountain Dew just smashing the back of my fucking head, you know. Just the best damn thing. Alright, where you at? Oh, look at that fucking torch. Hey Dan, say hi to all your fucking famous YouTube viewers, you know. You're gonna be a hit sensation. You're gonna be known as a UK fucker.
What's your YouTube channel called?
I don't know, I just started tonight. It's just a regular name. My regular normal name, it's Chris Smith. That's it.
Where did you get this from?
I don't know, it wasn't. I don't know why I wasn't able to change my username, but I don't know.
Yeah, come get the bait.
Well, where in the fuck are you at?
You act like you hate to get the fucking bait.
I don't like bait, man.
I was going to convert the patch for him, Dan, and he wouldn't let me. He's responsible for the fucking explosives off.
So, Weld, what do you got to say about this fucking YouTube shit?
You want to know what I was going to say about it?
What? What do you got to fucking say about it?
Firecracker.
Fucking firecrackers? Holy shit. Look at that shit.
That's your firecrackers, motherfucker.
Hell yeah.
I got that fucking sparkler, too.
Hell yeah, that looks badass right there. Crips, what do you got to contribute to the party?
What do you got, Crip?
He's got a damn sparkler over here. Oh shit! Hell yeah! Oh fuck!
What Dan's got to say to it?
No, we're gonna be a goddamn hit sensation, motherfucker. Oh shit! That flew past my fucking head.
Also got something else. Let me bring him over here. Also got this bad boy.
Oh, that bad boy? That motherfucker ain't worth a shit.
Dude, it's got infinite time, you retard.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Look at it, I can run for miles.
You can run for miles, huh?
Hey, Dan, guess what I got? I tried it out. You know the horse with balls?
Yeah, he's got a goddamn horse with balls. I mean, it's the most fascinating thing. He's got a damn horse with balls, you know. You don't find many of them today, you know.
The balls is like fucking acres.
Why would a horse have fucking acorn balls?
Because it's a fucking video game. They don't want to gross motherfuckers out. And when you shoot the motherfucker, he's like a damn UFO in the sky. And you be like, look at that UFO there, and I'll blow him up with like explosive rifle, and they'll make it like fucking aliens or something. I could probably troll.
There's Confederate Weld right there. Confederate Dan. Dan's running for some damn reason. He's scared of his own damn shadow. Look at that shit. He's running from the damn shadow. That's some fucking shit, ain't it? Oh shit, he's glitching out. Holy shit.
Hey. Who's glitching out? Dan, did you just getting a glitch?
Yeah. Yeah, I want to go see if we in it. I'm in the flying room right now. Yeah, if they look at me, I'll get one. That's the shit when you find things.
But Dan, hey, let me give you a... Oh. I forgot, you ain't got the undead voice. Hey, I'm gonna give you an undead voice real quick. You don't see that thing?